Hello everyone, this is Teacher K and welcome back to my channel. In this channel, we talk about tips and tricks on how to bring warmth, fun, and light in every season of your life. So, why don't you join us in this growing community by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell right beside it. June 8th is National Best Friends Day, and if you have a best friend, you know exactly how blessed you are for having a best friend in your life, right? Me personally, I think my best friend is one of the best gifts that God has given me. Big shout out to my best friend! Proverbs 18 verse 24 NLT version says, "There are friends who destroy each other, but a real friend sticks closer than a brother." Well, when we talk about a real friend, it means that this person can be counted on, he is steadfast, and will be there for you even more so than a family member. In other words, this person is trustworthy as well. I know you have a person in your mind right now as I was describing those things about a real friend, and don't you think they deserve the best? Yes, they truly deserve the best. And if you are also that person who is a best friend to another person, well, let me tell you, you also deserve the best. And shout out again to my best friend. If you're watching this video, Becca naman. Okay, let's jump right into the video. Let's talk about 23 gift ideas for our best friends because they deserve the best. Oh, by the way, all the gift items are linked in the description box down below for you to check out later. Number 1 is mermaid blanket. This blanket is a perfect gift for any woman who had dreams of becoming a mermaid, just like me. Your friend can snuggle into it while watching TV, reading a book, or having a nap, and so on and so forth. Plus, this blanket is lightweight, therefore it can be used in any type of season, not just the winter season. Actually, this gift is one of my favorites because ever since I was a kid, my favorite Disney princess is no other than Ariel. And as much as I can remember when I was a child, I wanted to become a mermaid. Plus, I easily get cold. So I think this would also be a perfect gift for me as a best friend. So calling all my close friends out there and my best friend, if you're watching this video, you know what to do. Number 2 is satin pajama set. If your best friend is like me, whose last priority is buying a pajama set, then this one is for her as well. Like me, literally, I have never bought myself a set of pajama. This one, the We Bare Bears pajama that I'm wearing right now, was actually gifted to me last year of December. So, you know, if your friend is like me, this is one of the best gifts. Number 3 is Heart of Gold bangle. By giving this, you will be able to remind your friend one of the many reasons why you love them. It's because they have a heart of gold, of course. Number 4 is slipper socks. This pair is a cross between slippers and socks, which means they're lightweight, easy to pack, and insanely comfortable. Number 5 is hand cream collection. This one that I linked in the description box is beloved by many people in the world, plus Oprah. This will keep your friends' hands moisturized, especially now that we're always sanitizing our hands with alcohol. Number 6 is laser engraved photo. This is actually a custom gift 3D crystal photo. And why don't you pick out the best picture of you and your best friend as a memento? Number 7 is bamboo bath tray. It is durable and long-lasting. This bathtub tray is made up of eco-friendly and high-quality bamboo material and is, of course, waterproof. Plus, it is extendable and foldable. Number 8 is Kate Spade lunch tote. It has a black dot print saying, "Out to lunch." Well, I think this will make your friend's lunch extra fashionable. Number 9 is Best of 7 facial masks collection. Self-care shouldn't be hard for your best friend, right? Do her a favor by giving her this treat. Number 10 is jewelry stand. This one linked in the description box has varying heights, displaying your friend's favorite necklace, earrings, bangles, rings, and more. Number 11 is Instax camera. We know selfies on demand, right? Plus, this will allow you and your friend to take some pictures of your awesome memories together. Number 12 is Ultra Soft Marshmallow Hooded Lounger. From the name itself, let me just repeat that this fabric is aptly called marshmallow because it's ultra soft. No brainer. Number 13 is Succulent Planter Set. If your BFF is an aspiring plant parent or has a green thumb, this is a good idea. Number 14 is Tea Assortment. This one that I linked down below has 10 varieties of the most popular tea blends such as Earl Grey, Green Mango Peach, and Ginger Lemongrass. Number 15 is Clutch Wallet. Nothing more to say. Number 16 is Back and Neck Massager. This neck massager will help your friend alleviate muscle soreness, ease neck stiffness, and relax yourself after a long day of work. Number 17 is Silk Pillowcase. I have a little assignment for you. Why don't you Google the benefits of using silk pillowcase? And for sure you will find two benefits, which are hair protection and anti-aging. Number 18 is Essential Oil Diffuser. This set that I linked below has 10 essential oils, has a diffuser, and has 4 timer and auto shut off and 7 light settings. Perfect for a spa-like experience. Number 19 is Why You're My Bestie book. This one contains prompts of the things that you need to fill in. Thus, it will make it a lot more personalized on your part. Number 20, I'm not sure if I can pronounce it right, but it's the Toshi Amarina Cherries. These are Italian black cherries and will taste great on ice cream, Manhattans, or straight from the jar. Number 21 would be the Life Would Suck Without You gift box. This one has 1 candle, a bottle of lavender and eucalyptus bath salts, has body mist, lip balm, and a lot more. Number 22 is No Bounds Outdoor Speaker. This is a portable outdoor Bluetooth speaker that is perfect for your friend who's always going on beach trips since it's water and dust proof. Number 23 is the Organic Cotton Tie-Dye Crew Sock. We know nowadays tie-dyes are back in trend. So if your friend is trendy and you sometimes wonder why they're your best friend, but yeah, this is a good idea for them. And that brings me to my question, that is, using just one word or phrase, how will you describe your best friend? Let me know in the comment section and I would really love to read them all. Alright, again, all of the gift ideas mentioned in this video are linked in the description box down below for you to check out. Thank you so much for watching this far. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And see you again next week for more exciting contents. Once again, this is Teacher K. Have a great day. Bye!